Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate cereal.
Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I ate cereal.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
Did she call?
No, she didn't call.
Did she call?
No, she didn't call.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7 a.m.
Did they watch TV?
Yes, they watched a movie.
Did they watch TV?
Yes, they watched a movie.
When did you arrive?
I arrived yesterday.
When did you arrive?
I arrived yesterday.
Did he study?
Yes, he studied maths.
Did he study?
Yes, he studied maths.
What did you drink?
I drank coffee.
What did you drink?
I drank coffee.
Did they play soccer?
No, they played basketball.
Did they play soccer?
No, they played basketball.
Where did she work?
She worked at a bank.
Where did she work?
She worked at a bank.
Did you see him?
Yes, I saw him yesterday.
Did you see him?
Yes, I saw him yesterday.
What did you buy?
I bought a new shirt.
What did you buy?
I bought a new shirt.
Did he speak English?
Yes, he spoke English well.
Did he speak English?
Yes, he spoke English well.
When did you leave?
I left at 5 p.m.
When did you leave?
I left at 5 p.m.
Did they travel abroad?
Yes, they traveled to Spain.
Did they travel abroad?
Yes, they traveled to Spain.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a sandwich.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate a sandwich.
Did she sing?
Yes, she sang beautifully.
Did she sing?
Yes, she sang beautifully.
Where did you meet?
We met at the cafe.
Where did you meet?
We met at the cafe.
Did he win the race?
No, he didn't win.
Did he win the race?
No, he didn't win.
What time did you sleep?
I slept at 11 p.m.
What time did you sleep?
I slept at 11 p.m.
Did they finish the project?
Yes, they finished it.
Did they finish the project?
Yes, they finished it.
What did you read?
I read a novel.
What did you read?
I read a novel.
Did she dance?
Yes, she danced at the party.
Did she dance?
Yes, she danced at the party.
When did you start?
I started last week.
When did you start?
I started last week.
Did he drive?
No, he took the bus.
Did he drive?
No, he took the bus.
What did you write?
I wrote a letter.
What did you write?
I wrote a letter.
Did they clean the house?
Yes, they cleaned it.
Did they clean the house?
Yes, they cleaned it.
Where did you stay?
I stayed at a hotel.
Where did you stay?
I stayed at a hotel.
Did she cook dinner?
Yes, she cooked pasta.
Did she cook dinner?
Yes, she cooked pasta.
What did you wear?
I wore a blue dress.
What did you wear?
I wore a blue dress.
Did you exercise?
Yes, I ran for 30 minutes.
Did you exercise?
Yes, I ran for 30 minutes.
What did he teach?
He taught history.
What did he teach?
He taught history.
Did they win the game?
No, they lost by 2 points.
Did they win the game?
No, they lost by 2 points.
Where did you park?
I parked near the mall.
Where did you park?
I parked near the mall.
Did she attend the meeting?
Yes, she attended it.
Did she attend the meeting?
Yes, she attended it.
What did you forget?
I forgot my keys.
What did you forget?
I forgot my keys.
Did he fix the car?
Yes, he fixed it yesterday.
Did he fix the car?
Yes, he fixed it yesterday.
When did you graduate?
I graduated last year.
When did you graduate?
I graduated last year.
Did they accept the offer?
Yes, they accepted it.
Did they accept the offer?
Yes, they accepted it.
What did you learn?
I learned to swim.
What did you learn?
I learned to swim.
Did she visit her parents?
Yes, she visited them.
Did she visit her parents?
Yes, she visited them.
Where did you spend vacation?
I spent it in Hawaii.
Where did you spend vacation?
I spent it in Hawaii.
Did he pass the exam?
Yes, he passed it easily.
Did he pass the exam?
Yes, he passed it easily.
What did you sell?
I sold my old bicycle.
What did you sell?
I sold my old bicycle.
Did they move house?
Yes, they moved last month.
Did they move house?
Yes, they moved last month.
When did you return?
I returned on Sunday.
When did you return?
I returned on Sunday.
Did she paint the room?
Yes, she painted it blue.
Did she paint the room?
Yes, she painted it blue.
What did you break?
I broke a glass.
What did you break?
I broke a glass.
Did he apologize?
Yes, he apologized sincerely.
Did he apologize?
Yes, he apologized sincerely.
Where did you hide it?
I hid it under the bed.
Where did you hide it?
I hid it under the bed.
Did they celebrate?
Yes, they celebrated their anniversary.
Did they celebrate?
Yes, they celebrated their anniversary.
What did you draw?
I drew a landscape.
What did you draw?
I drew a landscape.
Did she cry?
No, she didn't cry.
Did she cry?
No, she didn't cry.
When did you decide?
I decided last night.
When did you decide?
I decided last night.
Did he shave?
Yes, he shaved this morning.
Did he shave?
Yes, he shaved this morning.
What did you pack?
I packed clothes and books.
What did you pack?
I packed clothes and books.
Did they argue?
No, they didn't argue.
Did they argue?
No, they didn't argue.
Where did you find it?
I found it in the drawer.
Where did you find it?
I found it in the drawer.
Did she quit her job?
Yes, she quit last week.
Did she quit her job?
Yes, she quit last week.
What did you grow?
I grew tomatoes in my garden.
What did you grow?
I grew tomatoes in my garden.